Good morning, everyone. I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today. Today I am doing a little mini swipe on a hexagon canvas. I am using my purple palette, my purple with my burnt umber and my peridot green that I used in one of my last videos. A couple videos ago, and yeah, we're gonna see what we come up with today. All right, so let's get painting. The last time I used a hexagon canvas on my cake spinner, I'll link that video at the end. Spun it a little bit too hard and the canvas went flying. Not always a good thing. Okay, put a little bit more in here. I don't mind if I get drips where I'm going to swipe, and that's probably going to come off. I mean, it's definitely going to come off. But I don't want any remnants down the side or anything like that, so just use a finger and get it out of there. I love this peridot green, it's so pretty. Here we go. Not pressing too hard, just gliding it across the top. Taking my time. And I use my cake spinner just to help me move my knife. Yeah. Love it. Probably lose that little piece, but it's okay. So I kind of try and split it into thirds so that I have 3 swipes. Did you know that song when you were a kid growing up? Concentration, concentration is the game. It was like a camp song we used to sing, or at school on rainy days when we'd have to stay in for recess. Anyone who lives where it snows, we had many recesses where we had to stay inside, or because it was like minus 30 plus Celsius. Crazy rainstorms. We get everything in Ontario. I mean, we don't get hurricanes. We kind of just get the trail ends of hurricanes, but we get some wicked storms the odd time. I'd love to hear about the wildest storm you've ever lived through. So again, just sliding my palette knife gently across, not digging in too hard, and just, I kind of intuitively do this. Hopefully I don't lose too much of that purple. I almost feel like I'm gonna add in just a little bit more purple down the side of that swipe. Okay, I just want to kind of try and connect a couple of these here. I'm going to go back in with our brown, my burnt umber, and do something similar here. Don't forget that if you're creating art, it's your art and it's your rules. And don't ever let anyone tell you that you're doing a technique wrong, or that you're using a color palette wrong, or that you're layering your colors wrong. It's yours, and you can do whatever you want, however you want. Same with life. Don't ever let anyone tell you that you can't, because guess what? Sure as H can. I feel like if I do too many more little lines through there, it might be a little bit too much. So let's spin this baby. All right, we're gonna just do this gently first. And then step back so I don't get covered. I'm not liking these lines through the middle, which I was a little worried about. Yeah, I'm not liking this. So again, like I said, it's your art, you can do what you want. So we're gonna do another, we're gonna swipe through here. Thank you so very much for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell as well as the thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear what you think of this piece. So have a great day and a great week.
and I will see you in the next video. Bye!